when your mangoes are this rosy red, guys, when your mangoes are too sweet for smoothie, no, these mangoes are too, like, DAM. Is it DAMN, good for smoothie? You just have to eat them. It's too damn good for a smoothie. Okay, I can't let the smoothie like get in the way of my taste. So here goes. Mm, 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 mm. So sugary. If you tell me that sugar is not good for me, guys, for sure I'm gonna have sugar because this isn't real sugar, natural sugar. Faithland Foods variety here. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos, you know, so that you can see a lot more content.